金蝉脱壳. The 21st stratagem. A cicada sloughts its skin. One interesting fact about the ancient Chinese is that their soldiers were often farmers' sons. It is therefore not surprising that generals, when formulating and explaining strategy, often prefer to use analogies which are often derived from nature. This stratagem, a cicada sloughts its skin, must have emerged from the common experiences of people being deceived by the shell of a cicada. In other words, they mistake the shell for the real cicada. The key idea is to confuse the enemy by leaving behind the shell of your army, for example, overabundant flying of banners. The enemy may misread the number of soldiers on that count